are having a fabulous day. It's beautiful here, and it was yesterday as well, so I got out and did some shopping. I went by Louis Vuitton and I bought a bag that I've been looking at for a very long time, and I thought I would share it with you. And this is a bag that many of you already own, but there are a lot of you who have not made that decision yet to buy it, and you might want to know some of the details. So I'm going to show it to you. And I remember when Louis Vuitton had brown bags. Now they have gone to this orange color, and that's what they gave me, was the newer orange shopping bag. And inside the shopping bag you will get the information about your bag, and you get the receipt, and you get, I have a business card here for my client advisor, so if I have any questions I can give her a call. And Louis Vuitton has excellent customer service. And so now we have the box that contains the handbag. So you have your ribbon. I don't know how they chose a blue ribbon with an orange box, but it seems to work. They know more about branding than I do, so I think that might just work. It has Louis Vuitton printed along the ribbon, and I always keep my bags, my receipts. Always keep your receipts, of course. I keep the ribbons. I keep everything. And of course, I put them in my closet. So my closet looks really pretty. And then we have the box that contains the bag. Now you first get your dust bag, and it reads Louis Vuitton, of course. And with every bag you buy, every handbag you buy, you get a dust bag. So you have one for each bag you own. Put this in here, and then I'll show you the bag. Now this is that timeless, classic, Neverfull monogram MM bag, and I have been wanting this for a while. I couldn't decide between the MM and the PM, and this bag seemed to fit me better than the PM. This bag is, I'll give you the dimensions of it. It is 12.6 inches in length. It is 11.4 inches in height and 6.7 inches in width. So I'm 5 feet 7 inches tall, so let me show you what this bag looks like on. When I'm wearing it, it is like this. So you will see that this bag will go under your arm. If you don't carry it like a tote bag, if you want to carry it on your shoulder, you have a sleek look there that's not too cumbersome. Now, they do have a Louis Vuitton bag, and I can't remember the name of it, but it looked like it was only maybe 3 inches wide, and I was afraid it would topple over every time you set it down on a table or a seat, where this one does not. And then, of course, you have the monogram, and you have the lining. I decided to go with the beige lining, but this bag is available in beige, cherry red, and a pink color. I chose the beige because I thought it would coordinate better with anything I was wearing, but I have seen a lot of people carrying the red ones. Haven't seen as many pink ones, but I have seen the red. And it has gold hardware and natural cowhide trim with the double straps. Now, that is about as classic and timeless as you're going to get. Now, if you are looking for a bag that is unique, this is not the bag for you. This bag is one that you're going to see when you go to the airport. You're going to see a lot of these bags. When you go to the grocery, you're going to see a lot of people carrying this bag. So you're not going to buy something that's very unique. But what you're buying is something that is very functional and good quality. So that is what we are getting. That's the outside. It has all that beautiful double stitching all along the strap and on these tabs. You have the side laces that you can push this in just a bit and then cinch these side laces and change the look of the bag, which I think is a great idea. Now, let's see. We're going to look at it with them cinched up. And then I'm going to clasp this so you can see what it looks like. All buttoned up. And look at that. You have an entirely different looking bag. And depending on your mood, you can wear it this way or fully open, which is very easy to do. You just pull these laces back and open it up. And there you have it. You have gold hardware all through the bag, outside and in. And I'm trying to show you something here that is very clever. When you buy this bag, you are purchasing 2 for 1 because look, you get a small little bag that's used as, you can use it for makeup or your phone or all of your credit cards, put those in there, or you can take it out and you can clasp this together just like this, and look, you have a clutch bag. Isn't that adorable? I love it. And I will probably use this as a separate bag. I have the crossbody bag, but this is really cute. Put your phone, your car keys, your credit cards, and then you're good to go. You don't have to have your full bag. So that's nice. Let's see what's in here. Inside this little clutch is the same lining as the big bag, and it has a pocket on the side. And of course, all of these bags come with authentication cards, QR codes on them for authentication, and there you go. Now, you know, we talked about the lining. Beige, red, and pink are the ones that I have found. Well, one of the reasons that I chose beige is because it coordinates with everything, but also because along this zipper you will see there is fabric. Now with the beige you get a brown fabric along the zipper. If you buy the red lined bag, you have red fabric. If you buy the pink, you have pink fabric along that zipper. And that was a little off-putting to me. I wanted it to be very, very functional and easy to use without worrying about it coordinating with everything. But that may not be a worry of yours. But that is why I chose the beige lining. And we're going to put this right back in because I want to show you the inside of the tote itself. Now, there is the beige lining. You will notice there are 2 hardware rings and a clasp. This hardware ring is for your pouch, and if you don't use your pouch there, you could hang a set of keys, which would make them very convenient. Now this clasp goes with this ring to keep the bag closed. It's not fully closed, but it's much more secure, so if you feel like you need to have your bag secured somewhat, close that ring. But if you want all the space you can possibly get in your Neverfull, then open it up and just carry it without the rings being clasped. Now you will find, and I'm going to stand up so you can see this, you will find, well, here's our pouch. I'm going to remove that. Isn't that cute? You will find a zipper pouch inside. It has room for your phone or keys or whatever you would like to put there. Now it comes with a leather Louis Vuitton tag, and then underneath it is printed in Louis Vuitton on the canvas. So we have that. I'm really pleased with this purchase because I just know it's going to be used constantly with the double handles and the canvas. That's just lovely. And I love the fact the leather is on here that's going to patina over time. It's one of the most functional bags you can buy. And I think it's a great investment because the more usage you get out of your purchase dollar, the better. So I find this is a great investment, especially if you are looking for something casual to use quite often, because like I said, you're going to see others wearing this bag. You may see them in the other designs, but generally it's going to be this one. The only thing I might add to this bag would be an organizer, because it is deep, and so a lot of things are going to sink to the bottom. But if you have an organizer, you can place that in here and you can have a specific spot for everything you're carrying. But if you're not that type of person who has to have everything in its place and you just like to be able to jam it as full as you can with all those necessities, then this is a way to carry it. Just start loading it up and you're going to find it eventually, and there it is. One of the most functional high-end bags that Louis Vuitton has, and that's why you're going to see it everywhere, is because everyone loves this bag and they use it constantly. Now, if you have this bag and you know of something about it that I have left out of the video, put it in the comments below, because the other viewers would love to hear about it. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, don't forget to tap that subscribe button and the little bell to the right of that as well, because then you'll be notified every time I make a new video. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram. Bye.